What if one of the most powerful foods for your eyes isn't an expensive supplement, a prescription drop, or a complicated treatment, but a tiny seed that many people already have in their kitchen? Every day, millions of people struggle with dry eyes, blurry vision, eye fatigue, irritation, and age-related changes in eyesight. Most reach for eye drops that provide only temporary relief, while never addressing the nutritional support their eyes may actually need. But here's what most people don't realize. Your eyes are among the most nutrient-demanding organs in your body. Without the right building blocks, they become more vulnerable to inflammation, oxidative stress, and damage caused by aging and excessive screen time. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating science behind one tiny seed that researchers have linked to healthier eyes, reduced inflammation, and better overall eye function. We'll separate facts from myths, explain exactly how it works, who can benefit the most, and how to use it safely as part of a healthy lifestyle. Stay with me until the very end because I'll also share the biggest mistake people make when trying natural remedies for their eyesight, and why avoiding that mistake could make all the difference. Modern life places more stress on our eyes than at any other time in history. Many people spend 8 to 12 hours each day looking at phones, computers, tablets, and televisions, forcing the eye muscles to work continuously at close distances. This can lead to digital eye strain, tired eyes, headaches, blurred vision, and dryness. At the same time, our eyes are constantly exposed to sunlight, pollution, cigarette smoke, and other environmental factors that increase oxidative stress. As we grow older, the natural protective structures inside the eyes become less efficient, making it easier for damage to accumulate over time. This is why nutrition plays such an important role in maintaining healthy vision. Just like the heart and brain, the eyes depend on a steady supply of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants to function properly. While lubricating eye drops can temporarily relieve dryness and discomfort, they do not provide the nutrients needed to support the long-term health of the retina, lens, and other delicate eye tissues. Healthy eating, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, wearing UV protective sunglasses, taking regular breaks from screens, and including nutrient-rich foods such as seeds, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables can work together to support eye health. Although no single food can repair every eye condition, building these daily habits creates a stronger foundation for protecting your vision as you age. Among the many foods promoted for better eye health, one tiny seed has attracted attention because of its impressive nutritional profile and its potential to support healthy vision. Seeds such as flaxseed are naturally rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, along with fiber, vitamin E, and antioxidant compounds known as lignans. These nutrients help reduce inflammation throughout the body and protect cells from oxidative stress, both of which are important for maintaining healthy eyes. Research suggests that omega-3 fats may support the normal function of the tear glands, helping reduce symptoms of dry eyes in some people, while also contributing to the health of the retina. Antioxidants found in these seeds may help defend delicate eye tissues against damage caused by aging and long-term exposure to sunlight and environmental pollutants. However, it is important to understand that no seed can repair serious eye diseases or replace proven medical treatments or prescribed eye drops when they are needed. Instead, these tiny nutritional powerhouses work best as part of a balanced diet that includes leafy green vegetables, colorful fruits, fish or other healthy fat sources, and regular eye examinations. When combined with healthy lifestyle habits, this simple addition to your daily meals may provide long-term nutritional support that helps your eyes stay healthier and more comfortable for years to come. Your eyes are constantly exposed to conditions that can trigger inflammation and oxidative stress, especially if you spend long hours using digital devices, have a poor diet, or are simply getting older. Over time, these factors may contribute to eye discomfort, dryness, and gradual changes in vision. Nutrient-rich seeds such as flaxseed may help support eye health because they provide plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that contribute to the body's natural defenses. Omega-3 fats have been studied for their role in supporting healthy tear production, which may reduce the symptoms of dry eyes for some people. At the same time, antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage the delicate cells of the retina and other important eye structures. By lowering oxidative stress, these nutrients may help preserve normal eye function as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. It is important to remember that these benefits develop gradually through consistent dietary habits rather than overnight. Eating nutrient-rich foods, staying well hydrated, limiting smoking, protecting your eyes from excessive ultraviolet light with quality sunglasses, and taking regular breaks from screens all work together to support long-term eye comfort and vision. While no single food can cure eye diseases or reverse permanent vision loss, adding these nutritious seeds to a balanced diet can be a simple, affordable, and science-informed way to nourish your eyes and support their health as you age. Getting the most from this tiny seed is not just about adding it to your diet, it is also about using it the right way. For example, whole flax seeds often pass through the digestive system without being fully broken down, which means your body may absorb fewer of their valuable nutrients. Ground flaxseed is generally a better option because it allows your digestive system to access the healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants more effectively. A common recommendation is to enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons per day as part of a balanced diet, although individual needs can vary. You can easily mix ground flaxseed into oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, soups, or sprinkle it over salads and cooked vegetables. Pairing it with other nutrient-rich foods such as leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, nuts, and healthy protein sources creates a well-rounded meal that supports overall health, including your eyes. It's also important to store ground flaxseed in an airtight container in the refrigerator to help protect its healthy oils from becoming rancid. Drinking enough water is equally important because the fiber in flaxseed absorbs liquid and supports healthy digestion. While these simple habits can help maximize the nutritional value of this tiny seed, consistency is far more important than taking large amounts occasionally. Making it part of your everyday routine offers the greatest opportunity to support long-term eye health and overall wellness. Not everyone experiences the same level of stress on their eyes, which is why some people may benefit more than others from adding nutrient-rich seeds such as flaxseed to a healthy diet. Older adults are among the groups that may gain the greatest advantage because natural aging can reduce tear production and increase the risk of dry eyes and age-related changes in vision. People who spend many hours each day working on computers, using smartphones, or watching digital screens may also benefit, as prolonged screen time often leads to eye strain, reduced blinking, and discomfort. Individuals living in dry or air-conditioned environments, contact lens wearers, and those with diets low in healthy fats may find that improving their overall nutrition supports better eye comfort over time. Flaxseed provides plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and may help support normal tear function and protect eye tissues from oxidative stress. However, it should never be viewed as a replacement for prescribed treatments or regular eye changes, especially if someone experiences sudden vision changes, severe eye pain, flashes of light, or persistent redness. The greatest benefits come from combining nutritious foods with healthy daily habits, including staying hydrated, eating plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables, wearing sunglasses outdoors, getting enough sleep, and giving your eyes regular breaks from screens to support clear, comfortable vision for years to come. Many people believe that if their eyes feel dry, irritated, or tired, the best solution is to reach for eye drops. While lubricating eye drops can be very effective for temporary relief and are often recommended by eye care professionals for dry eye symptoms, they do not replace the importance of good nutrition and healthy daily habits. Eye drops work on the surface of the eye by adding moisture and reducing discomfort, but they cannot provide the vitamins, healthy fats, antioxidants, and other nutrients that eye tissues need to maintain long-term health. This is where a balanced diet can play a valuable supporting role. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc help nourish the eyes from within and support normal vision as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Tiny seeds such as flaxseed can contribute beneficial nutrients, but they are only one piece of a much larger picture. Regular exercise, quality sleep, proper hydration, wearing sunglasses that block ultraviolet rays, limiting smoking, managing blood sugar and blood pressure, and scheduling routine eye examinations are all essential for protecting your vision over time. If you notice sudden vision loss, severe eye pain, flashes of light, increasing floaters, or persistent redness, seek prompt medical care because natural foods and over-the-counter eye drops should never delay the diagnosis or treatment of potentially serious eye drop conditions. As we come to the end of today's discussion, the most important message is simple. There is no single miracle food, seed, supplement, or eye drop that can restore perfect vision overnight. However, the choices you make every day can have a powerful impact on the long-term health of your eyes. A tiny seed like flaxseed can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet because it provides omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants that help support your body's base natural defenses and contribute to overall eye wellness. Combined with colorful fruits and vegetables, regular physical activity, proper hydration, quality sleep, protection from harmful UV rays, and routine eye examinations, these small daily habits can help keep your eyes healthier for years to come. Remember, healthy vision is built through consistency, not quick fixes. If you experience ongoing eye discomfort, worsening vision, or sudden changes in your eyesight, don't ignore the warning signs. Seek advice from a qualified eye care professional to identify the underlying cause and receive the most appropriate treatment. The earlier many eye conditions are detected, the better the chances of protecting your vision. If you found this information helpful, share it with your family and friends, because a simple lifestyle change today may help preserve the gift of clear vision tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Take good care of your eyes, and I'll see you in the next video.